How's everyone doing? This is Ben with Swift English. So today we're going to take a look at a TOEFL reading, vocab, and context question. We've done these before, so let's take a look at this one. The word rudimentary in the passage is closest in meaning to what? Now, before I take a look at this one, I just want to mention something really quick. Rudimentary is one of those words you guys should really know. It's a easier vocab question. And actually, this kind of word, even though it sounds advanced, you're going to see it all over the place, okay? You're going to see it in science, in history, in literature, in art, in music, pretty much in every field or discipline you can possibly imagine. So if you didn't know what this word means, you should really know. All right, but we'll go over it in just a moment. So here, you could sometimes read the sentence before if you did read this sentence and you didn't get it. So these early versions were rudimentary, inaccurate, and prone to breakdown. Okay, so if we read this, are there any clues here? No, nothing here. So now we have no choice but to focus on this. So if you didn't know what rudimentary means, which actually means elementary, introductory, basic, so let's see if there are any clues that can help us here. These early, that's a huge clue right there. You might not be able to detect that, but sometimes they might have like an adverb, adjective, or modifier that can sometimes help. Okay, so, and also, if you have like a list in this situation, that can sometimes help. Not necessarily, but you could sometimes use it toward your advantage. So we have inaccurate, we have prone to breakdown, something, not working right, going bad. So what I want to get at here is this is negative language. So whatever is here cannot be a positive word. It has to be something negative, very detrimental. So let's see. It's not rare, and that's actually a neutral word, right? But it doesn't mean rare at all. It's not small, so A and B are options or choices you can eliminate right away. Those are pretty obvious. Now you're down to C and D. So C is the trap here. Usually there'll be like one trap that's kind of tempting to select, and in this case it's C because A and B are way off. Now in practical, if you know what this word means, well, if something's practical, it's useful, right? We use it. Impractical is the opposite. It's something that's kind of useless. You can't really use at all. And we know it's not C because if they're using, some kind of machine here, and they're saying that it's rudimentary, it's inaccurate, and it's prone to breakdown, well, this is telling me that they've tried using this many times. So maybe it is practical to some extent. It just sucks. But it doesn't mean impractical. Now, when you look at the final option, yeah, it's basic. So if you knew this from real life knowledge, well, that was an easy one. Basic, elementary, introductory, primary, right? So those would help you get it. If you didn't know, the only clue words here really was early. That could help us. And just knowing that this is negative language can at least help us eliminate A and B, then we would be down to C and D. But obviously D is the right answer. So I hope you like this one. See you guys in the next one.